Hello there and welcome back. So it is good once in a while to take a break from eating meat and experience how it feels to be a vegan. And I'm also excited to show you all my new logo and apron, courtesy to my kids. Just a proud mama moment, and to see them support my hustle, that is just so heartwarming. And in case you're wondering, we are making ugali and collard greens. This is one of the Kenyan traditional meals. Ugali is made of white corn flour, and I'll show you as you follow me on this video. And at this point, I'm boiling some water, and the ratio of water to flour is 2:1. And on this other side, I'm prepping my collard greens. I had already picked them and cleaned them very well, and I'm cutting them into small slices. Here you'll need a very sharp knife, and then also be careful so you're not cutting yourself. And I'll be using some parsley and some celery to add flavor. I would like to know what you add into your collard greens or sukuma wiki to add flavor. Kindly let me know in the comment section. Now, of course, I'll be using 1 large onion for this recipe. And now checking on our ugali water. I need it at a boiling point. Remember the ratio of water to flour is 2:1, and this is gonna give us a perfect soft ugali. I start off by mixing the water and the flour with a whisk, and this makes my work very easy. And then finally, I use my wooden stick to mix everything up. And by this point, the water and the flour have mixed up very well. I'll keep my heat on medium, then keep flipping the ugali until it is nicely done. I will show you the sign to look for later on to show you that your ugali is all done. To cook the collard greens, I'll start off by heating up the cooking oil. We are using extra virgin olive oil for its heart healthy benefits. I'm also adding in the onions. I'll cook them until they are a little tender. While the collard greens are getting ready, it is time for me to check onto our ugali. And I had moved it to the far end burner so I can bring you closer to the pot where I'm making the collard greens. The way to confirm if your ugali is done is if it has formed a nice crust. And personally, I love the crust. It tastes sometimes better than the ugali. Our onions are now ready, and it's time for me to add the collard greens, the celery and the parsley. Give them a quick mix. And then I'm adding in our chicken seasoning. This seasoning has some salt, so we are not going to be adding any extra salt into this recipe. And our ugali is all done. I'm going to keep it like this for a few minutes so it stays warm as our collard greens are getting ready. And it looks like our collard greens are also ready. And our ugali is not complete without an avocado. So I'm slicing it here into small pieces, and then I'm going to serve and enjoy. And you have been invited to come and dine with me. And I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. And at this point, I want to request you to subscribe to my channel. Hit up the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And look at that. That ugali, the collard greens, the avocado were all tasting very nice. And I hope you can go and try this recipe. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.